Hey guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Diana AR8 rifle. It's a gas piston rifle. It's a 177 caliber. I'm gonna do a unboxing today, and I'm gonna do some reviews later because I'm not gonna bore you and go into specs because if you're watching this video you might already know from previous researches. Yeah, I just cut it the tape. I have no idea what's inside, so let's check it out. I'm very excited. Bear with me because I'm gonna do it just with one hand. I'm holding the phone. Okay, here's a bag of shredded paper. Yep, shredded paper. I hope that's not the manual. More shredded paper. Shredded paper. Shredded paper. Shredded paper. This is, I guess, the invoice. Oh, these are some pellets. The guys added from the store I bought. The store I bought, it's I live in Denmark, and it's called etech.dk. I don't know if that's gonna be useful for you. Whoa, also gun oil, pellets and gun oil. Perfect. Perfect. I like free stuff. And this is the air rifle AR8 made by Diana Blazer. The box looks really nice. Thank God it's not duct tape. And here it is. Manual, made in Germany. Made in Germany. Okay. Another piece of paper. Publicity for the new bullseye mount. I heard actually it's pretty good. I didn't try it yet. I saw a video on YouTube regarding it. It has like a small spring, so when you fire that spring absorbs the recoil that would normally go in your scope. Oh man. Okay. Okay, just give me a second so I can make it properly. So, I put it on the kitchen counter. I just cut it in the plastic bag. The gun is beautiful. Just a notice for you guys, this is a pretty heavy gun. I mean, pretty heavy. So if you're thinking of buying something like that, I don't know, just keep that in mind. If you're going long hikes or something, it's important to know. I'm not gonna do, like I said, I'm not gonna do a review of firing this weapon. I'm gonna do some future videos regarding different pellets, regarding different range. Now I'm in my home, I can't do that, but yeah, I'm gonna give you some close lookups at the weapon. It says here AR8 professional success. This is the mounting rail. Laser AR8. This is a heavy gun, heavy. Okay, oops. The stock is synthetic stock. It doesn't seem hollow like everyone else says on the internet. It's a good finish. It's not slippery. It has here the texture is more rugged a little bit. The trigger, I'm not gonna shoot it, so I'm not gonna dry fire it, because with this weapon you don't want to do that, especially with weapons that have gas pistons. So never do that. Don't do that. I think it also voids the warranty. The trigger is a 2-stage trigger. So first, and then here you squeeze it. Trigger seems really good. Yeah, I don't know how much this video helps, but for those interested, I hope it did a little bit. Like I said, more are gonna come. Also, this is a very powerful air gun. It has around 32 joules energy. So I'm actually curious, because I haven't seen on YouTube, but I'm curious about the power of penetration of this air rifle with different types of pellets from different distances. So I'm really curious what this bad boy can damage and can do. Okay, hope it helps. Yeah, keep in touch. Have a nice day, guys.